Hey, what's up? So you clicked on this video, you want to make at least $300 profit every single day with your Shopify store, whether that's off of drop shipping or actual brand. I'm going to show you step by step how to go about doing it. I'm not going to show you how to source the products and do all that boring stuff because honestly, that's the easy part. The hard part is getting traffic into your store to then convert that traffic into paying customers. So this is going to be a step-by-step video course on how to do it, and I'll shut up right now. Let's jump in inside my computer and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So you want to make $300 a day profit with dropshipping. And I'm going to show you a free marketing strategy that you can use today, starting today, to actually make money with your product. Because again, you want to sell your product, and to do that, you need to make noise, right? You need to make noise to attract people to your store. So the noise attracts people to your Shopify store to sell your product. Now, how do you make noise? It's quite simple, right? You can either buy ads, right? You can just do cold email outreach, or you can use free organic methods, for example, like social media or search engines. And I'm going to dive deep into this right now, but I just wanted to understand that the only way you can actually make money is through traffic, right? Make noise, create traffic, traffic goes to your Shopify store, people buy your product, okay? Now, there's a lot of nuance here, like the type of traffic is you want quality traffic, you want ready to buy traffic. And so you don't want to do the ads because the ads are paid, right? I'm assuming you don't want to like invest too much money into this. Cold email outreach isn't really ideal for Shopify store, I guess. So we're going to go with the free methods. Yeah, social media, you can go on Instagram, you can go on Facebook, but yeah, I mean, that only takes you to a certain extent, right? The best thing you can do, and I'm of course very biased, is leverage search traffic, okay? And it's going to take me a little bit to explain this, but trust me, it's going to be worth it at the end. So let's say your Shopify store sells gardening supplies, okay? You sell gardening supplies, right? And you want, when someone goes on Google and searches for beginner gardening supplies, this is the search bar on Google, right? When someone searches for beginner gardening supplies or best gardening supplies, there's a bunch, of course, of results that pop up, right? Search results, even images and all that, right? And your goal is to rank number one, right? Your Shopify store should appear number one. So, of course, when people search for this, they click your site and they buy your products. Okay. Now this is the simple. It is simple. It isn't easy, right? But this is what we call SEO, search engine optimization, right? Google is a search engine. This is Google. Google is a search engine, right? Because you search for stuff, and we are optimizing for this search engine. Now, there's Amazon, of course. There's eBay. All those are search engines, right? Amazon is a search engine. The difference about Amazon is that Amazon, when you search for something on the box, right, it shows you listings of products, right? eBay, the same thing, right? Etsy is the same thing, right? All these are search engines. Even TikTok, right, and YouTube are search engines. These ones are more video focused. These ones are like product focused, and this is a written focus, okay? So let's focus just on Google and Bing. So let's just focus on written-based search engines. Again, you want, when people search for your keywords here, your site shows up and you rank first, and they click your site and buy stuff. They get introduced to your brand. Maybe they don't buy right off the bat, but maybe you get their email, then you remarket to them, right? My point is not to show you like what happens after. My point is just to show you what happens before, like that they need to click, right? I'm going to show you how to actually rank your site here and how to actually get people to click. So now you need to figure out first, of course, what keywords you want to rank for, right? So you need to put yourself in your potential customer shoes and think, okay, if I were a customer for my own business, what would I be searching for on Google, right? And you sit down and you think about this and you get a list of keywords, right? And multiple keywords, right? Multiple search terms that people could be searching for on Google, right? And you then, once you have your list, right, you create this, what we call a keyword matrix, right? That in the y-axis we have BI, which is buyer intent. It's very important. And in the x-axis we have traffic. And the bigger the traffic, of course, the bigger the competition, right? And now you take all the keywords you wrote. And by the way, if you're having trouble finding keywords, what you do is quite simple, right? People are paying you, whether it's for a product or service, they pay you for you to solve a problem for them. So they give you money and you give them a solution, right? For example, if you're a plumber, people give you money and you fix their pipes. If you're a plastic surgeon, people give you money and you fix their nose, right? If you sell bags, people will want bags because they want to put stuff in their bags, and that's the issue. So they pay you and you give them the bag that solves the issue. Now they don't have to carry the books on their hands; they can carry it on their backs. Okay, so that's just the basis of it, right? People pay you money to solve an issue for them. So to come up with keywords, think, okay, what's the issue that I'm solving for these people, right? What's the issue that I'm solving for them? Why are they giving me money? What pain point am I solving, right? And that's how you're able to get a list of a bunch of keywords, right? You can use tools like Ahrefs, Google Search Console, and much more, but should be enough, okay? Once you have all your keywords, you go here to this matrix, right? And you want to make sure that you solely focus on keywords in this quadrant and this quadrant for now. because these two have high buying intent. And before I go here, I'm just going to give you an example. Let's say my business is a physical business and I sell iPhone repair. Okay, this is my business. I have a website, right? People come to my site and then they come to my shop, right? Now, people can come to my site by typing on Google, for example, how to repair an iPhone. How to repair an iPhone, right? Or they can come in by typing in where to repair an iPhone or how much does it cost to repair an iPhone. We can assume that my site, right, ranks on Google for all these keywords, right? Where to repair an iPhone, how much does it cost, or how to repair an iPhone. Now, let's say the keyword how to repair an iPhone has 10,000 searches a month, right? 10K a month, right? This is good, right? And this two, where and how much only have like 1,000 a month, right? One might think, okay, I'm going to be focusing on this one, right? 10,000 searches a month, people searching for how. Most likely they want to buy for me, right? Because they want to know how. I'll do it for them. And the thing is that the keyword how has a lower buying intent than the keywords where or how much. Even though this has less traffic than this one, people searching for this are much more likely to buy, right? Someone searching for where or how much does it cost, we can assume that they're much more predisposed to having someone fix their iPhone for them than someone searching for how. Because someone searching for how, we can assume that, okay, maybe they can be searching for how because they want to pay someone, or maybe they could be searching for how because they want to actually do it themselves. Okay, so this applies to this because when you have your list of keywords, a lot of keywords are going to show up here, right? High traffic, looks great. But the thing is that you're going to just be wasting time because you're going to go for high buying intent keywords, right? Keywords where people, when they search for them, are more predisposed to buy than people searching for keywords with low buying intent. So don't go for keywords here. Don't go for keywords here. Go for keywords here, right? High buying intent, low traffic, and high buying intent, high traffic. Okay. This is where you're going to want to focus, okay? So you need to understand the buying intent of your keywords. You don't just want to start ranking your site on Google for these random keywords, right? You want to start ranking your site on Google for keywords where you know that people searching for them are very likely to buy, okay? So don't go for broad keywords because they're just going to be wasting time and money, okay? Now, of course, to rank your site, you need blog posts, right? You want to have your site, right? It needs to have Shopify store should have a page that's called /blog, right? That's BLOG, and that blog should have multiple blog posts, right, targeting multiple keywords, right? And if we expand on one of these blog posts, right, it should be a comprehensive blog post, again, targeting the keyword you want to rank for, with a featured image, a table of contents, proper content structuring with in-article images, in-article videos to complement the product, internal links, so linking out to other blog posts you've written, maybe linking out to actually your Shopify store products, maybe linking out to your contacts page, external links, linking out to external authoritative sources. For example, if this is a blog post about finance, if you want to back up some of our claims, you might want to link out to Forbes. We might want to link out to Bloomberg, maybe TechCrunch, right? Having internal and external links is a power move in terms of your blog posts, right? Bullets, tables, quotes. You want to make sure that this looks like a great blog post. And maybe down here, a call to action to people so they can buy your product, okay? A proper CTA, right? Because again, our goal here, we're not trying to rank our product pages. We're trying to rank blog pages so people get introduced to our brand. And then once they're introduced to our brand, they like, trust us, and they're more likely to buy our products, okay? Now, this SEO, right? SEO is a complex topic. I have free 10-hour courses here on YouTube. I'll link them down below. If I forget, let me know. But I'll link them down below if I remind myself. If I forget, let me know. Because SEO is about not just about blog posts, about link building, technical SEO. There's a lot of nuance to this, but this is the main thing that you need to know, right? You want to rank your site on Google by writing blog posts that target buying intent keywords. That's it. That's simple, not easy at all, but it is that simple. Now, you can leverage AI like this, for example. Let me show you here. This is not ChatGPT, this is a custom software. This right here is an article about gardening, right? This is for a Shopify store that sells gardening supplies. This is all done with AI, from the featured image to the table of contents to the proper content structuring with in-article images, internal links, as I said before, videos that complement, right, what the article is about, more images, more internal links, external links. All this was done with AI, right? And I could just click here, right, to post it straight to my Shopify store. Okay, and I've generated a couple here. You can just click here to post to my Shopify store, post Shopify store, post Shopify store. So you don't have to write all this yourself manually. You can just use AI to write it for you. And I can just click here, publish all to integration, and all 6 will be published to my integration. Now, if you're using ChatGPT for blog posts, you shouldn't, because this is much more complex, right? Because this is the input you give to the AI, right? And we all know that the better the input you give to the AI, the better the output, right? So the article you just saw is based off of this input, right? Selecting how many articles you want, selecting if you want videos in your articles or not, selecting if you want images, right? What type of images do you want, AI-based images or not, right? Selecting if you want external links, internal links, the structuring of the article, the formatting. And I won't dive too deep into this because it's boring, right? If you want this to be connected to the web so that the content is up to date, if you want to connect a knowledge base so that the content is actually brand tailored, right? Not just some generic AI-based content, but content that's actually brand tailored, using your brand's tone of voice, using your brand's mannerisms. It's quite powerful. Then choosing the language of the content, choosing the target country, choosing the creativity levels, tone of voice, point of view. There's a bunch of stuff right here, but I won't bore you with this. Just know that this is the way in which you can generate articles, just like the one you saw before, right? And currently, Shopify stores all around the world are actually doing this. And one strategy they implement is they leverage this feature right here called Autoblogs, which allows you to create an automatic blog that automatically generates however many articles you want and posts them to your site on autopilot. So most of them just do five a week, so Monday through Friday. And what this is doing is the Journalist AI is connected with your Shopify store, right? And it's automatically generating plus publishing blog posts to your store. All these with links to your products, with images, with videos, all of this on autopilot. It also indexes the content for you on autopilot. Just go here to Indexer, set up an indexer, and it will index the content on Google for you automatically. And as soon as these posts are published to your Shopify store, you can also have it so it automatically syndicates them to your social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, which is now called X, and Facebook, right? On top of that, for the content generation, you can have it do the keyword research for you. So the thing that I showed you here, the keyword research, automatically, so then it generates content based off of this keyword research. So essentially, you're automating all this, right? It's an automatic blog to your Shopify store. And what a lot of people do is they have one in English, one in Portuguese, one in Spanish, one in Italian, one in French. So all these multiple, because you can have unlimited blog, auto blogs right here, as you see, I have a bunch of them. You can have multiple auto blogs, one for each language, one for each target country, ranking for keywords in each of those targeted countries, like all these blog posts, right? Raking in clicks to your main Shopify store, right? So that's pretty powerful. But again, I won't bore you too much with this. You can use ChatGPT if you want, or you can just use this because it's fully automated. But this is how you make money with dropshipping. It is not by not wasting time, but it's invest more time actually selling your product and making money and making driving traffic to your brand than making this beautiful site and these beautiful things. Because at the end of the day, you can have the most beautiful site, the best product of all, but if you have zero traffic, you will not get any sales. On the other hand, if you have this less good product, less beautiful looking website, but the marketing is on point, you're getting traffic to your site, right? You will make more sales, right? It's obvious. So yeah, that's it. That's how you make money actually with dropshipping. Like, subscribe, let me know down in the comments what you think, and I'll leave a link for this down below as well so you can try it out for free. And yeah, cheers. Right, that was it. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. I'll answer every single question. Even if you just comment like in a years from now, 2 years from now, I'll make sure to come back to this video and reply to every single question. Again, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And hopefully this was enough to get you going into your dropshipping journey to make at least $300 a day in profit. That's around 9K a month in profit, which honestly, it's pretty good. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.